Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 wireless mouse not working. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click wireless mouse, click Update driver. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click wireless mouse, click Uninstall device. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Windows, click and expand current version. Click and expand policies, click and expand system. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as enable cursor suppression, change value data to 0. Exit Registry Editor and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.